Now, in terms of performance, yan, siguro ito naman yung talagang inaabangan ng iba, no? Kumusta yung driving experience with this two car, no? Okay. Toyota Race, goods yung transmission niya, aggressive, pero yung engine niya mabibrate. Can you imagine, 5,000 kilometers pa lang yung tinakbo nung tinest drive ko na Toyota Race, pero meron na kagad vibration dun sa loob ng sasakyan, no? Now, dito naman sa Kia Stonic, goods yung performance niya, pero medyo smooth yung kanyang acceleration. Well, maybe they created for city driving nga talaga. Kumbaga, you have full control dun sa kotse, no? Kasi dito sa Toyota Race, masyado siyang aggressive. Kumbaga, pag yung mga medyo, kung gusto mong patakbuhin siya ng inch by inch, medyo mahirap kay Toyota Race. Unlike kay Kia Stonic na control